Angry Birds.
All right, let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are we going to do with the Angry Birds? Okay, let's do it before Dexter gets to it. All right. Oh!
Yeah.
One more. Oh, you knocked them all down.
Yeah.
It's a real live Angry Bird game. Good job. What do you think, Dexter? Huh? Dexter?
Oh no! Don't! Get it out of here.
Okay. Well, he's going to just stand up. He's just standing up.
No.
Dexter! No,
No.
no.
I
No,
did
no.
that, and it did knock down. Wow.
Dexter! No, Dexter! Timber!
What? Don't do that again. Oh. Come wait.
Good job, Dexter. Dexter, yay! Can you say hi? Dexter? Can you say hi?
Hi, 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 hi.
He's like, I think I just got some food from up here. Okay.